and I just did a live. I only had a few people who came on. I saw that I had 6 or 7 views, which is good, better than nothing. And yeah, I wanted to get to know you guys and everything. I guess I selected the wrong day to do that because it's Monday. Well, unfortunately, I'm off this month. Not unfortunately, I'm off. Unfortunately, it's a Monday and I'm off for the live. That's my day that I can do it, right? So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go live again this week. I might, you know. I got my face all dolled up. But anyway, that's fine. I'm going to the kitchen, get myself some food, get my daughter some food. I'll see you then, okay? Yeah, guys, I'm in the kitchen. It's a little chaotic. I'm gonna warm up some food for my daughter.
Hi, guys.
Oh my gosh, this is so explosive. This is not fun.
It's time bomb.
Yeah. It's so nice outside. It is so nice.
Here, this will take a walk.
Maybe, I don't know. I have to put some order in this kitchen. You know? It is so nice. It is so nice. It is so nice. It feels like it is spring already. And I'm loving it.
Summer.
I'm loving it. We need to renovate this kitchen. And let's see. I'm loving it. Potato chips. Bad for me. You know? You didn't ask me if you can go outside. I don't want you to go outside. I didn't know where you. No. I told you could go in the backyard. Oh, I don't know. Is this thing?
Ooh, chicken, love it.
Yeah. All right. This I'm gonna put on the table.
Okay. I'm gonna stay outside for a little bit.
You know. So. Going to work tomorrow. Hopefully I don't have a bad day at work tomorrow, you know?
Are you in charge tomorrow?
Hopefully I'm not in charge tomorrow. I don't like to be in charge. First of all, as a nurse, when the manager's not there, the staff nurse gets to be in charge. Don't look at that mess over there. The charge nurse gets to be in charge, right?
Okay.
Can you imagine? They only give you an extra $45 for the whole day
What?
if you're in charge for that day.
That makes sense.
Oh, can you put this over there? And the amount of stress you have a district that you taking care of. You have patients. You have to go to meetings.
You have to?
That's ridiculous.
And you only get 43 plus?
$45 extra, and plus the aggravation. It's unworth it. Keep your $45. Just give me my patients so I can deal with my patients. You know what I mean? No,
Oh, you can't be getting in front of them.
I can be eating. I can.
And Mr. R.
Mhm.
And Mr. R. No, I'm Mr. R. No, I'm Mr. R.
You what?
And Mr. R.
Another thing though, I wanted to say. They say when you go live, it helps with your watch hours.
Don't want that to explode.
Watch hours. So,
Hi guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And go on my mom's life too. And subscribe to me.
no, you don't have to.
I don't have one.
So
I don't do
anyway,
one. Please, I really need that.
So yeah, I'm warming up some food. I never thought to use this angle over here. I'm always putting the camera on the other side. So this is not a bad angle. Yes, that's one thing about it. You just sit down and you do your live. There's another lady, what's Tequila World? Oh my goodness, I have to get her name down.
And make sure you guys go subscribe to her too. We'll put her in
I can't even
comments.
say her name. How is she? Okay, I'm gonna
Tequila.
No, something like that. So she told me that I can get, I can restream them, so the live can go on and on and on and on. However, I have to purchase a software, which I'm gonna do.
Really?
Then, once I have that software, yeah, yes, guys, sorry about that. As I was saying before, I want to purchase that streaming software so I can have my live running, you know. So I'm warming up the rice for you and your dad, okay? Alright, babe. If you want to say something to the people, you can say something now. You don't want to say something to the people? She doesn't want to say something to the people. Guys, as I was saying in my life, I don't know how many of you are what you call it, investing in the market. The market is bearish right now, as they say. It's going down. And 2 weeks ago, it was doing so well. I should have sold a few things that I had then. Now I have to wait until I have to wait. It's scary. It's pretty scary. I don't know, yeah, something just happened.
It was green. The whole screen.
The whole screen went green. I was scared.
That rhymes. The whole screen.
Alright, you interrupt me now. I got scared for a few minutes because I'm like, I just purchased this camera for this YouTube thing, and you're not allowed to spend another, right? $40. $40?
I don't know how much cameras cost.
This is one of the, most affordable ones, but if you need a good camera, good camera, you need to have like at least 400, and I don't have that money for that right now. You do. I do, but it's not gonna be allocated for that.
It's not gonna be worth it.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying we can't do it right now with that. So anyway, I'm gonna cook some cabbage here. I know the sun is just sunny. I'm like, let me use this opportunity to cook.
Yeah, because later on the sun's just gonna go down.
Yeah, good. And then I have a face on. I have my face on. So I'm like, what's my I know I don't need makeup, but I love makeup, right?
You don't make it look good.
Makeup's not good for me?
No, it's not good for anyone.
Alright. But I don't know. But I love it.
Sometimes they put chemicals.
Yeah, they do put chemicals.
Especially in the water.
She's teaching me now.
Okay, you do your video.
She's teaching me now, guys. So yeah, making some cabbage. And I'm gonna put some saltfish in there. I just wanted to shoot some organic content, which I have not done in a while. definitely shoot some organic content. It may not look good to you, but it's so tasty. You're better off making your own juices, you know? Squeeze your lemon, squeeze your orange juice, or eat some fruits. 5:16. You know what, guys? The sun is just all over the kitchen. We have 1, 2, 3 windows in the kitchen. I told my husband we don't need that many windows, right? It's too much. Although we love the sunlight, though, it washes me out. It's washing me out in the camera, right? So what I'm making is cabbage and some. I thought I picked up collard greens, but I did not. I picked up kale instead. So I'm gonna make kale, cabbage, and carrots. And to that I'm gonna add some saltfish. They call it bacalao or something like that. And we call it where I came from. We call it momlife. So that's what I'm gonna make. I'm washing my pot. As I mentioned to you guys before, I don't know if I mentioned this in this video, we have a 1950s kitchen, right? So it is what it is. I'm not the only one in the world with this dilemma, right? So we're gonna make it work because I'm a wife. Right? We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. It is chaotic. So I'm gonna wash my saltfish, right? It looks like so. I kind of boiled. It was soaking all day. I love the smell of it. So my pot is frying now. Alright. I'll just put some olive oil. Putting some dry shrimp. We use that. I use it. I like the taste so dry. You get those from the Korean stores. See that? The writing. Yes. I put some olive oil. Yes. Not enough. A little bit of vegetable oil, which I don't want to use, but I don't have a choice. Stirring up the pot. Stirring up the pot. And it feels so good. And also, I think I'm gonna put my carrots. So because carrots take a while to cook, and then when it's almost done, I'll put my cabbage glass. It smells like the chef is in the kitchen. I need this. Today I just wanted to get some organic content. I didn't want it to look like it's something that is set up and everything. Just go with the flow when I'm cooking and since I have not done any cooking videos, I'm like, while I'm doing this, let me create some content, you know, some organic content, how I function, how I move around in the kitchen, right? And my kitchen is a mess, but who cares, huh? I do care, but if I'm gonna wait until my kitchen is aesthetically pleasing to me and to my audience or to whomever, then I'm not gonna be real. I just want to come on here and be real. This is what I'm dealing with. This is what I have to make it do what it does, you know. Sometimes as wives, we have to make the best out of life situation, or what life throws at you. You have to make the best at it. I'm just looking at outside. I thought it was my husband. Anyway, so yeah, sometimes you have to because you know, this is one of the reasons I didn't start YouTube a year before. I started in October of 2024. I could have started in 2023 and in 2022. My logic was, oh, I don't have this yet, I don't have that yet, I don't have this yet, my house. Listen, I've seen people, not to put anybody down, it's just that goes to show me that you could have done something. I've seen people, they don't mind, and they're getting views, and you know, they're authentic and they're real in their own environment, and that's what I choose to do today. Okay. Yes, I would like to have white cabinetry, but one day it's gonna happen though. I'm not trying to be violent here. One day it's gonna happen. We have the paints already to paint, but we haven't had the time because we have to work. We have to do other things. So the paint has been sitting here for like months, maybe 3 months, you know. But it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Right? So that's that. My kale is in the pot, cooking, and I put the fish and I put the seasoning, and yeah. And I will be back to tend to this. Water here. Hopefully it tastes good. That is that, y'all, for now. I don't know when you're gonna see me next time, how my face gonna look, but you will see me.